Okay, now it's passed already. Hi, I'm Ashwin. Today I'm going to show you how to create automation test to test your video application. If this is the first time you see the channel, don't forget to click subscribe button and hit the bell there so you won't miss any incoming clips that make you be an awesome automation QA. Seeing this video, I assume that you already installed Robot Frameworks in your local machine. If not, I recommend you to see this video. This video will teach you how to install Robot Framework and also how to write the Selenium WebDriver test case using Robot Framework without any programming language knowledge. Same to this video you require nothing about programming language. But this video we will not use Selenium library like the previous video. This video we will use White Framework. White Framework is a framework to automate the window application by test stack. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. Okay, to start working with the White Framework, first you need to install the White library by typing pip install space robot frameworks that white library. Okay, after that it will install the library in your machine. It will take a while. Okay, so it will be there soon. Okay, here it comes. Now you need to check whether you install it correctly by type pip list. It will list all the install list on the machine. Okay, you see we have robot framework white library here. Okay. Okay, now I open my text editor, Sublime. I save file here to the name demo white.robot. Okay, now I start with importing the library with the keyword settings and followed by 3 store. Don't forget to have only one space here unless it won't work. Okay, now I need to import the library for library space 2 space and white library. Okay, don't forget to have 2 space here just to make sure it works. Okay, now I'm creating the test case section. Okay, test case. Okay, followed by 3 store. Test case name, which is demo open notepad. Okay, 2 space here with the keyword launch application followed by the notepad path, which is C colon slash Windows backslash system 32 backslash notepad.exe. For the white framework, you need to state the full path of it. Okay, so now save and then try to run it by typing robot followed by the file name. Okay, it's here, demo white robot demo white. Okay, okay, here it's come, the notepad is coming, you see. Okay, before go to the deeper step, this is a test case that we are going to do. Okay, and before we enter to the test step, this is the tool we're going to use. We're going to use Accessibility Insight from this website, accessibilityinsight.io. You can scroll down to the download part. Okay, click here, it will download. After the download, you can install it into your machine. Okay, but in my case, I already installed this software already. So let me show you how it works. Okay, let me open the notepad here. We just open the application here. This application will help you locate the locator of the element inside the application. For example, if I want to locate the text editor of the notepad, I just can hover the mouse here. Okay, and you see it will show all the properties of this element. Okay, this is the text editor, and with the automation ID 15 and the name, where is it? Okay, here, name, text editor. Okay, this is how we locate the element in the window application. Going back to the text editor, so in the white framework, we need to attach the window to let the white framework understand which window we are working on. We need to attach to the title of the window. In the notepad case, is the untitled dash notepad. The case need to be exact match and everything match, including the space. Okay, untitled notepad. Okay, now our code will know which window to attach, and then we need to press the key. So okay, now here. So let's try to run this robot. Okay. Okay, now you see everything is there. Okay, now according to the test case, we need to double click here, right? Okay, and it will crop my surname here. Okay, let's do it in the code. Come back to the text editor. To have the double click, we need to have the keyword double click item. Okay, double click item. Okay, followed by the locator. Okay, now we need to come back to the accessibility insight tool to see. Okay, let's try to see. Okay, we need to follow to the notepad application. Okay, it's here. Let me pause. Okay, the name is text editor. We can use the name, or we can use the automation ID, which is 15. For the automation ID, it's up to the developer. Some applications will not have it. Yep. So anyway, let me try to use ID here, 15. Okay, now let's try to run this. Okay, now it's come. It's double click my surname already. So let me try to change form ID to text. Can have text followed by the name, which is the text editor. Hit save and try to run it again and see whether it shows the same result. Okay, here's come. It's same result. You see, we can use either ID or text to select the component. Okay, now the next step is to do the right click, right? We can use the right click item. Okay, item followed by the locator, which can be the text, or we can be in the ID. Oh, let me use the ID here. Just make it quick. Yep. And the next thing is to click the pop-up menu item. Okay, when we do right click, we have the pop-up menu here. We click the text copy, right, according to the test case. Okay, the next step is to hold the special key, which is the control, because we need to hit the control V, right? Okay, hold special key control, and then we need to press key again. We have V 2 times. Why we need 2 times? Because let me show you. If we right click and copy here, and we hit Control V, you see the first time it will show only once. Then we need to hit another time to copy. Okay, and what should be the next step? Is to get the text from text box. Yep, this is the function to get the text from text box. With the same ID 15, which is the text editor here. Okay, we need to assign the value to a parameter here, actual text. Okay. For someone don't know programming, this command is to save the value from the text, and we need to assert the value. It should be equal the value from the text we get from the above line to be equal to my name and surname twice. Okay, let's try to run this. Okay, here come copy. So yeah, I think I missed a space here. Like I said, the space is very important here. We need to have exact space here. You see, this should be 2 space, but I have only 1 space between the keyword and the parameter. Okay, now it's passed already. Okay, and next, let me try to make it fail and see what would happen by change the expected result to something correct. I haven't released the control P yet. Okay, let me leave the special key. Yep, remember we need to release the special key if we hold it, unless if you leave it there. Okay. Now we change the expected result to something incorrect, and I expect to see the fail case. Okay, now you see the fail. Okay, and in robotframework it's quite intelligent. It shows why it failed, why it deviates from the result, and you can see the HTML result file here. Yep. Okay, let me change it back to the correct one. Okay, the next is to click the save file, right? You can use the keyword click menu button followed by the locator, which can be text with the word file. The keyword the locator text is very convenient. We can refer to name or any attribute of the element. It can also be the label. Okay, let me see what happened next after I click save. Okay, this pop-up will show, so we need to type something in this field. Okay, so let me use our old friend. Okay, and see this element. Okay, capture already. Pause it, and then see the automation ID is 1001, and we also build a username file name here. Okay, so we need to press key there. We need to click here first. Click the item with the locator ID 101, and then we need to press key, which is the file name. Okay, demo white backslash and demo.text. Okay, and then we need to click the button name with the label save. Then the last step is to close the application. Okay, let's try to run this. Okay, before we run, let's see, there's no file names here, demo text here, but let me run this. Okay. Do you spot that? It seems like I need to remove the exit remaining text first before we can clear it. Let me change to double click to make sure we crop that. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, now it should be in the correct path. Okay, here the file is coming, demo text. We double click here. Okay, here's the file name. Okay, and in case you want to explore more about another keyword of the white library, you can enter to this website. I will leave the URL in the description or in the comment. Okay, you can scroll down to the shortcut and you can see so many keywords you can do with the white frameworks. That's it. That is how easy you can write the automation scripts to test the Windows application using white library and robot frameworks. So next time I will talk about another library that we can interact with the Windows application, which is the AutoIT. Let's see the difference between the white and AutoIT here. So I recommend you to click subscribe button and hit the bell there so you won't miss when I upload the next video. So until then, see you next time. Bye bye.